Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nancy, also known as the Lipstick Boss, and today I want to show you how to make green eyes pop. So this also will work for you if you have hazel eyes, and this will help your eyes to look even more green. So I'm going to be using the It's All in the Eyes Arbonne eyeshadow palette. These colors look best for what we're trying to do here. And so I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I've already done the one side, but I'm gonna walk you through how to do the other side. So the first thing I do is I usually prepare my eye area with some translucent powder. In case I have any fallout from the shadow, I like to just put some powder right here underneath. This is just translucent, and we're gonna sweep that away when we're finished. And that way we won't have any, it won't mess up the makeup that I already have on my face. So the first step is gonna be, I'm gonna grab the color Aurora and with a flat brush, and this color is just gonna go right on the moving part of your lid. Just gonna pack that color right on the moving part of the lid all the way across. See that? Then the next color I'm going to be using, I got a fluffy brush now, and I'm going to grab the color Prism. Prism is kind of like a reddish color, and with the fluffy brush I'm going to go right in to the crease, starting on the outside and kind of sweeping it across back and forth like a windshield wiper. Now because I have hooded eyes, I like to do little circular motions because I've got all that extra skin there, and I want to make sure that it's all going on nice and smoothly. So with that Prism color, just right in the crease, just kind of stick it right in the socket there, and back and forth and back and forth. Now I'm going to grab another fluffy brush. This has no product on it, but that's just going to help kind of blend out the shadow so there's not a really harsh line there. Then the next thing you're going to do is grab a smaller brush, and we're going to pick up this color Onyx. It's a black color, and just a little tiny bit, and I'm going to put that right in the corner because I just want to kind of give it a little bit more drama. So with a fluffy brush, I'm going to go in there and just take that color kind of into the crease and on the corner of the outer lid. Now I can grab that fluffy brush again that has no product on it and just kind of blend that all so it's nice and smooth and very well blended. Then I'm going to take this, it's a fine line, and this is the color is aubergine, and it's really good for green eyes to help them pop. So I'm going to go right in the waterline with this. It is creamy, so it's just really easy. It's not tugging or pulling on my eyelid. And just like that on the bottom. Then if you want to take an angled brush and you want to grab a little bit more of that Onyx color, that black, you can go ahead and do a liner on the top. Just kind of press that darker color right into the lashes. And this is where you might get some of that fallout. So that's why we have that shadow or that translucent powder on the cheek. But there you go. And some mascara, and you are all set. So what you're going to want to do is then after you're finished is kind of sweep this away. And then your makeup looks nice and fresh and your eyes are popping. All right, thanks for watching. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel for more videos on makeup, style, and just living your life full out. All right, until next time, bye-bye.